Remove the lenses from these Oakley Dart sunglasses. In the middle of the lenses, there's a single screw, but it's a very specialized screw. It's a very small star bit. See that the screw is slightly damaged. With the correct bit, we're able to get it to loosen, but I'll show you another method. A good sharp flathead can also work as long as it's the right size across. Jam the two edges deep into the star bit, and we can get it to move with this as well. Sometimes the flathead screwdriver actually works better because it's sharper on those two edges. Remove the screw. Very carefully push the frame apart. Work the lenses out. The lenses out, we can recover the lenses or buy new ones. You don't take your favorite glasses and just start polishing them because you may not like the result. It takes practice to get a good shine on them. Remove the non-reflective coating since it's just scratching off. Rubbing alcohol will loosen everything up. Fingernail or some soft plastic can remove it. Rub off the coating. We'll buff off all the scratches. Get some of the coating off with a 1200 or 1500 grit sandpaper. If there are any small scratches, this will remove them. The damaged coatings and scratches are gone. Both sides until we don't see any scratches as we put them up to the light. When we rinse them, they look really clean, but they're going to be hazy. I'll go over it with some 2000 grit. Very clean, still hazy. We'll go 3000 grit. A little bit of haze, but very clean. We'll very lightly polish these. Very shiny now. We'll polish it up by hand. This McGuire's Ultra Finish. We'll buff everything up nice and consistent. These are a lot cleaner, but there's still some of that coating on the edges. Through the process again, and you can see all the coating is off. Now we just need to buff it up. It's really starting to shine up very lightly in all directions. And polish to get all the swirls out. Place the lenses back into the frames. They're snapped in, we'll put the screw back in. These are looking a lot better. The screw until it snugs up. Ready for the sun again.